Essential property law hacks for tenants. Welcome to Discovery. Hello tenants. Renting can be a jungle, but fear not. Today, we're dropping some fire property law hacks to keep you safe and sane. From deciphering your lease like a code breaker to talking landlordese with ease, we'll equip you to navigate this legal maze like a pro. Let's go. Lease agreement lowdown. Your lease ain't just wall art, it's your legal Bible. Read it like your life depends on it, because, well, your living situation kinda does. Know your rights and responsibilities, from rent payments to repairs. Don't be afraid to ask questions, knowledge is power. Communication, your secret weapon. Talk it out. Open communication with your landlord is key to a harmonious rental life. Politely report issues, ask for clarifications, and document everything in writing. Remember, respect goes both ways. Repairs, know your due. Leaking faucets or flickering lights. Don't suffer in silence. Landlords are responsible for most repairs, so notify them promptly. If they don't respond, research local tenant rights organizations or legal aid resources. Deposits, don't let them vanish. Security deposits are like tiny treasure chests. Understand the terms for deductions and document the condition of the apartment when you move in. Fight for what's fair if your deposit gets unfairly chomped on. When to lawyer up. Sometimes, things get messy. If your landlord violates your rights, ignores repairs, or tries to pull shady stuff, don't hesitate to seek legal help. Local tenant organizations or legal aid can guide you and even represent you in court. You got this. Bonus tips. Remember, tenants have rights. Use these hacks to be a confident, informed renter. Don't be afraid to speak up, document everything, and know when to seek help. Now go forth and conquer that rental jungle. And share this video with your fellow tenant warriors. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.